So this is Today with VK. Today I'm going to do a follow-up on my oil change with the 2023 Silverado High Country 6.2 liter. I have the original filter right here, so I'm going to cut it open like I promised in the video, and let's see if there's anything needs to be worried about, concerned. Let's check it out. So as you can see, this is the original PF63 from the factory when they installed it on the 2023 6.2 my Silverado High Country. And so I'm going to open it up. Let's see if we find anything in it. It had 2,700 miles on it. Hindsight, I probably should have changed it at 500, but hey, can't go back in time. Wish we could. If we could, we wouldn't be doing these videos. So, but let's get into it. So, get this on here. Get to spin it up a little bit. Get started. Starting to take some of the paint off. Come on. My hand will start slipping here. Okay, I think we got it here. There we go. So I just had a little problem with my left hand, the wrist there, and so it just takes me a little bit to go do something else. Alright, so you can see here, I mean, this is, it looks pretty good there. Fix the camera here so I can't get alright, so there. The gasket looks good. So, so you see, still some oil down there. It's a nice day out, so I had the shop door open. So I'm just trying to see if I can figure out if y'all can see this very well. It looks like it's pretty good. There's I mean, what you expect out of 2,700 miles, and so let's see if we got anything here. See anything? I don't see any glitter. Let's get a magnet here. Got a magnet so we can kind of play around to see if we can find out anything. See anything here? See anything there? And it's a good magnet. And this is, you know, made pretty well. Made pretty well. I'm not saying the best, but made pretty well. So, get anything. I don't see anything. I don't see anything on there. And that's until it's picking up. Look inside. Let me get a flashlight real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so let's see, we've got some light here. So as you can see, I don't see it all in there. I don't see anything else. No. Can't watch from the tail there. looking good inside. I'm pretty pleased. And I'll cut it open if I feel like it. I don't see anything that constitutes me having to cut that open. I don't see anything in between. Let's just see. So I'll get a better light here. No, I don't see anything. So, man, I'm pleased with that. That's would be break-in. What you say, especially old days. I used to have a 327 with the camo up heads. Comment if you know what that means. That's the 300 horse. But comment if you even know what that means, where to look at it. And you know, those motors back then really required a break-in. These motors nowadays, they're so tight in variance. But I know they haven't come up with anything to disable the DFM. In the C7 Corvette, I have the AFM disabler in there, so it stays in V8 all the time. But I haven't seen anything for these new trucks, so if someone knows something about that, please let me know. Not very eventful today, but like I said, everything looks pretty good. I mean, I don't see anything, any shavings, anything like that. So please like, subscribe. You guys have been great. You're building up my channel. Let's build it together. Let's give me comments on things you want to see be done. We can do that, and I hope that everyone has a blessed day, rest of your day. Today with BK out.